everyone, I'm just going to give you a little quick tour of my garden. See what it looks like. Okay, how do I do this? These are my pineapple guava trees, and they've already flowered earlier this spring, so just need to cut them back because they're getting kind of big. I want to keep them small. Then I go over here and I have a pomegranate tree, and I just planted this earlier this spring and it's looking good, getting nice leaves. And over here I have my passion fruit vines, and down here I have a passion fruit growing, and these have not been very nice this summer. They haven't been pollinating my flowers. So when they don't get pollinated, they just fall off. But I've had a few more earlier this year that I've taken off and eaten, and they're pretty tasty. Next year, I hope the bees actually do a better job so I don't have to hand pollinate, because that's a pain in the butt. And over here, this is my 5-in-1 orange tree. It's been in the ground about a year. It's doing pretty good. I have some oranges growing on here, if you can see. I have more somewhere. Nope, here they are. There's some more over here. Some more right here. I hope you can see this okay. I can't see my point of view. And then over here I have one of my guava trees. This is a Timaroon guava tree, and here's a guava growing, and then I have some more guavas over here. Oh, look, here's a passion fruit flower. Can you guys see that? Okay, where's my hand? And where's the thing? Alright, hopefully, I'm sorry if this is all shaky and shit. They're really pretty flowers. I like them. I have another pomegranate tree or bush right here. This is another wonderful, so is the other one in the corner. And I actually have, can you see that? A pomegranate growing. And they're not going to be ready until around Thanksgiving time. So this has been in the ground since earlier this year, so to already have a pomegranate, I'm pretty happy. This is my fig tree, one of them. Actually, this is the, oh, I'm having a total brain fart. Black Mission fig. And I picked a bunch of figs off of it already. Here's one that I can actually probably pick. Can you guys see that? I'm sorry if... Where's my hand? Okay, here's my hand. There's one. Then I have some more right here. Another one right here. I have to try to get them before the birds get to them because they like them. This is my lemon guava tree. I have lots of lemon guavas growing. I think they're getting sunburnt, like right here. But I have so many. I don't know if you can see them all down here, how many I have, so I'm not too worried. I'm actually going to eat this. Anyways, there's crunchy seeds in it. Pretty good. This is my Ruby Red Supreme guava tree. This probably has 100 guavas on it. They're just all over the place. Can you guys see that? Tons and tons. And I have another Timaroon guava tree. Some more guavas over here. I have a lot. There's a bunch on the other side and on top. I don't know if you guys can see all of them, but there they are. This is my Hawaiian Pink Supreme. I have lots of guavas growing on this. Usually September, October has been when all of these ripen up. This tree probably has a couple hundred. There's so many on the other side. It's kind of crazy. This one's starting to ripen already. And then I have a Mexican cream guava tree. This one's loaded with them too. Tons on the other side. I don't know if you guys can see all of them. And then that tree right there is another Mexican cream guava. That's probably one of my favorite guavas. They're super delicious. Oh, you can see some really big ones in the back. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can. That way they're starting to ripen. I love them. And this is my spicy Nectaplum. I just put this in the ground earlier this year. Bare root, so it was like that tall. That tall, if you guys can see. That tall. And look at it. I'm going to have to trim this because I need to keep it small. And then over here, this is one of my desert nectar, forget the name of it. It's a nectarine tree. This had a ton of fruit and it was so delicious. It's been in the ground. This will be the second year. And there it is. Getting ready to drop its leaves soon, which is normal for about this time of year. If you look down here, I have a blueberry bush, and this had tons of blueberries. And I have another blueberry bush right there. Down here, I have a shit ton of strawberry plants. They gave me lots and lots of strawberries earlier this summer. This is a chive plant, and they actually have really cool looking flowers. They're neat. This is a Chilean guava bush, but they're actually the size of like blueberries. I've had a couple berries so far, not a lot, but it's still pretty small. This is another nectarine tree. I think this is my Snow Queen. I think so. And it's been in the ground about a year and a half, and I cut it down to keep it small. This is, oh, right here is another Chilean guava tree, or bush. And then over here I have a Oro Blanco grapefruit. It had a lot of fruit last year, and it's in the winter time that it fruits, and it really hasn't done anything yet. So we'll see. I kind of neglected it. And then I have a few more pineapple guava bushes back here. Really neat. Okay, so that is the front. I think I showed all the front. I'll give you a little panoramic view. There's the front, pineapple guavas, and then we go back here, and then I've got one of my wonderful pomegranates, my 5-in-1 orange tree, and some passion fruit vines going along the fence, and then another pomegranate, a guava, a fig, some lemon guavas, then my big guava trees, spicy Nectaplum, a nectarine tree, another nectarine tree, more pineapple guavas, and my Oro Blanco grapefruit. Okay, and I will show you the backyard in another video.